5 Best Deadbolts. Here is the product number 5 Home Door Locking Security. Product name, Deadbolt Lock Material, Brass, Stainless Steel. Total size approximate 64x75mm / 2.5x2.9D * bell into hole via 6mm / 0.24. Adjustable back set, 60mm, 70mm / 2 3/8, 2 3/4. Here is the product number 4 MTGATHER Larvae Card Cattle. Material, carbon steel plus zinc alloy. Color, black. Size, approximate 9x6.8x per centimeter / 3.54x2.68x1.57. Strong, rust and weather resistant textured zinc alloy with black coating. Durable, ready to handle environments. Pull type panel or lock. Apply to electrical cabinet. Here is the product number 3 THGS Home Door Locking Security. Product name, Deadbolt Lock Material, Brass, Stainless Steel. Total size approximate 64x75mm / 2.5x2.9D * bell into hole via 6mm / 0.24. Adjustable back set, 60mm, 70mm / 2 3/8, 2 3/4. Here is the product number 2 Waterproof Lever Handle. Brand name, OSPON. Model number, 208A. Size, 141x43x70mm. Handle material, zinc alloy. Bolt material, stainless steel. Cylinder material, copper. Adaptation door thickness, 35-45mm 45-55mm. Here is the product number 1 LACHCO Bluetooth Lock Smart. Brand name, LACHCO. Key included, yes. Door thickness, 35-50mm. Model number, L16076DSAP. Material, zinc alloy. Surface finishing, brush. Is _ customized, yes. Color, black and silver standard mortise, single latch / deadbolt.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.